Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys that I have a braidless sew-in. This is my first time having a braidless sew-in and I completely love it. It's very versatile and right now it looks a little crazy, so you guys are going to watch me transform my hair and make it look cute. This is freshly washed hair. I didn't blow dry it yet, so here you're going to see me blow drying it and I'll let you guys watch the rest.
Been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing.
I'm also sitting in front of a window, so it's dusty. Don't think I'm just crusty.
You always make me feel like home, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my
Here's where the microlinks are, and then there's a track sewed onto it so it can be versatile.
favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna.
As you can see, it's in a few spots at the top of my head so I can part my hair many different ways, which is like what I like to do just because I like switching up my hairstyle. So this hairstyle is perfect for people who want to switch up their parts and do different styles.
Thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
If you guys like this hair, stay tuned because I will be dropping my own hairline in a few, so stay tuned, subscribe so you guys won't miss that, and yeah.
About you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking